breakfast that became Black food. And pretty much from there, I decided that I was not interested in designing cookbooks. I was interested in designing cookbooks for people who looked like me, who didn't know that those options were available, that there was a way to have your cultural vision reach its natural conclusion, because I knew all the obstacles they would face. And so I positioned myself basically as a doula to allow for the vision to reach its completion, and I would be the warrior to fight the fights so that they wouldn't have to. And that's...
Can I interrupt for one second?
Yeah, please.
When my publisher and I were talking about the design and the approach for the cookbook, because the book Black Food is a collection, it's an anthology, so it's a collection of recipes, essays, artwork, poetry, and because it's so specific to the African diaspora, I talked to my publisher at 10 Speed Press, and I let them know that this book had to be designed by a Black designer, and not just a Black designer, but a Black designer who connected with the subject matter spiritually, who understands Black history and culture, and who could really, dig into the cultural logic of the book. And that's how George came on, because I knew he would be the perfect person to execute that vision. So I just wanted to say that.
Yeah.